Hello everyone, this is Satvik. In this video, we will check out some best vulnerability scanners for Kali Linux. So without getting any delay, let's start. Guys, you can follow this process along on any other hacking distributions or any other Linux platforms. So the only prerequisite is you need to have these two tools installed and you need to have a repository for installing these tools. Okay, so the first and one of the favorite tool and one of the oldest tool is Nikto. Nikto is one of the popular scanner which is open source, and this have been included in Kali Linux since 2015. Okay, so in order to install Nikto scanner, you need to simply type sudo, since I'm not root user, apt get install Nikto. So since I had already downloaded it, it's not showing anything. Okay, Control L to clear the screen, and now let's check what Nikto Scan comes with. In order to run Nikto, you need to use the following command: sudo Nikto. And since we don't know, let's assume that we don't know anything regarding Nikto. We need to hit -h or minus help. So this will show us all the parameters that we can run using this tool. So the basic and the best one is sudo nikto -h and the host name. Sorry. So let's assume the host name be facebook.com. So in order to name the host, you need to give all the things, like you need to specify the version also, https://www dot facebook.com and slash. So this is an old name scanner which takes lots of time. Remember, this takes lots of time and doesn't give all the clear-cut information and leaves something like we don't even know what they are. Okay, so that's the main problem with this scanner. But guys, the second scanner will be really awesome and industry standard. That will give you all the things, like from directory names to email addresses. So guys, this is gonna take some time and I'm gonna show you the results. So this is I had run this again, sorry, I ran this tool against testphp.vulnweb.com, which is one of our favorite testing website that is hosted online. And you can see that it is showing the server, it is giving some basic details, and also it is discussing about some directories which is found or not found, and images, etc, etc. Okay, so this is gonna take lots of time. Okay, even I kept this at 2134, like it's half an hour from now and it doesn't completed the scan right now till now. So you need to have some patience while running this scanner. So, and guys, I'm gonna stop the scan right now and Control L to clear the screen. So guys, now let's discuss about the second and the best vulnerability scanner that is available in Kali Linux, that is Uniscan. In order to install this, you need to use a previous command only, but in the place of Nikto, you need to give Uniscan. So sudo apt get install Uniscan. I had already downloaded it, so I'm not getting anything. If you haven't downloaded it, so you will get something. You need to hit a Y and you need to wait for some time in order to install. Okay, Control L to clear the screen, and let's check what are the arguments that are available in the Uniscan. In order to check, you need to sudo uniscan and -h in order to see all the arguments for this tool. Hit enter. So not only arguments, we also got how to run this. Okay, and you can see some options like Q for enable directory checks, which is same like W for file check, E for robot txt and things, D for dynamic checks, and you can do all of them if you need. Okay, so let's run this scan against the facebook.com only. Okay, or the tesla.com, anything will be fine. Sudo uniscan, sorry, uniscan and minus u to specify the URL, https colon slash slash www.facebook.com. So let's run a default scanner which is basic, which is not gonna take some time. So this is what we get when we run uh, simply specified the URL of the website, target website. It is gonna show the redirection, target, domain name, IP, and if it's possible, it will show the services. Okay, so let's run this tool more advancedly. For that, you need to use the same previous command with some extensions minus qweds. So you're gonna get directory check, email check, robots.txt check, and everything. So you can see how detailed this scanner is. You can see the scan date, domain name, it's checking all the directories, which is an all-in-one. This tool is like an all-in-one tool. Okay, it is checking for all the directories. It has its own word list, but if you think it's not sufficient, you can run your own directory check by using derp or derpbuster. So I'll cover a video on that in the next session. So this is gonna take some time because we chose a bigger target, because so I had already scanned this. So this is my uniscan results. Yeah, it's somewhat upper. I think I should go. I scanned it against, yeah, you can see that I scanned this against testphp.vulnerweb.com, and with extend with arguments minus qweds, you can see that we got some basic details, we got some directories. Okay, since this is a smaller website, we got only some directories, and we got some file checks. It scanned for all the files that are available for this website. It is checking for robots.txt file, but it's not available. It checked for sitemap.xml. It is also not available, and it started a crawler, and it loaded some tools beside it and some external hosts that are related to this target, our target website, and it also gathered some emails that are available to this website, which is testphp.vulnerweb.com, and the email is wvs@accuratics.com, and it found for some web backdoors it's not available, and it found a back file, some ignored files, and many more. It tried for most of all these things: blind SQL injection, local file inclusion, but since they are not available, we can't do anything. Okay, so it's tried for SQL injection also. I think it's not successful, and it also tried for cross-site scripting. Guys, this is like a ultimate thing. Okay, it it has, look, you can see that it had injected its own XSS. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn XSS, I will provide you the link for one of my friends channel whose name is the XSS Rat, and he teaches the XSS awesomely. Okay, and it had tried some default payloads. Okay, so this is really awesome. When compared to Nikto, this is still scanning something. I don't know what it's scanning, but this can also be useful sometime. But in the uniscan, you can see that it is checking for XSS, and it's really awesome. Okay, I can't say anything. So that's the reason why this is my favorite scanner. So whenever you want to target a website, you can just use this. So there are a lot more XSS payloads that have been injected. Web shell finder, and yeah, so it had done really an awesome job, and you can see that the HTML report is also saved, so which is really awesome. So guys, if you are planning to do some bug bounty hunting or uh, any penetration testing, you need to consider the information gathering or reconnaissance. So in order to follow those two steps, you can use Uniscan, which is the best alternative for Many more Windows vulnerability scanners like Equinetics, NetSparker, and things like that. Those are paid, but the Uniscan is free, and you can see what the information it has gathered, and it has checked for every vulnerabilities. So if you got any vulnerability, then you are going to get some bounty. Okay. So guys, these are some of the best vulnerability scanners that are available in Kali Linux. If you like this video, please like it and do subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. This is Satvik signing off.